Yes, a very good evening to all. Hope I'm audible to you people. Do I'm audible? Please do chat with me in the chat session. So kids, do I'm audible to you? Do I'm audible? Yes or no? Okay, Karthik, you can. So fine then. Happy Deepavali to each and everyone. So happy fest to all of you people. Holiday, tomorrow is a holiday, only one day. So happy. As soon as I said holiday, huh? Okay, enable your videos, everyone. Why only 10 participants today? How about your friends? Where are your friends? They're still coming. Okay, we'll just wait for another 5 more minutes. Let your friends to join. Okay, now. So all of you had your lunch? Yes? Did you people had the lunch? Seriously? Okay, wow, that's good. Okay, Sairam. The rest of them, Amoga, Dishant, Mohit, Preetam, Shreyas, Ethin, Aditya. Enable your videos quickly. See, Amoga, about that you will receive the message. Do not worry about that. Okay, na? Okay, fine. That. So shall we start the session now? Okay. So according to the timetable, you're all having your GK session. That is nothing but your current affairs. So what I'm doing in today's session is I will be discussing some of your general knowledge questions in our today's session. Okay. So shall we start the session? Amoga power cut. Okay, fine, Amoga. Preetam. Okay. See, if you enable your videos, then only I can ask you people. So please do sit in the place where you will get the network. Amoga, if power cut means you can go outside and you can sit. No, Amoga. You have a sunlight, right? Even for sun also, power is not there today. Power is low for the sun. Instead of sun, moon came today. No, right? Huh? Fine then. We will start our session now. I'll be asking the questions one by one and you people will be answering. So firstly, I will go with the person Preetam. Yes, Preetam. Preetam. Preetam, are you there? Preetam, you cannot unmute. Can you check it now? Can you unmute, Anta? Please do check it now. Can you unmute? Yes, I gave the permission, Preetam. Unmute. I'm giving the permission, see. Rejoin to the session once. Rejoin. Okay. So Adarsh, your face is only not visible to me, Adarsh. Okay, we'll go with Aditya Prakash. Aditya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Aditya, here is the question. Tell me who invented the light bulb?
Ma'am, Thomas Alva Edison.
Who is he?
Ma'am, he's a scientist.
He's a scientist. What did he do?
Ma'am, he invented bulb and few more inventions.
Very good, Aditya. Very good. So now Aditya Gautam. Aditya Gautam. Can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me which planet in our solar system we also call that planet as a red planet, which is the planet we call it as a red planet.
Ma'am, Neptune.
Neptune. Sorry, Aditya Gautam, it's the wrong answer. Preetham, which planet is called as the red planet?
Ma'am, Mercury.
Mercury. Oh my God. Okay, Preetham. It's again a wrong. Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Which planet is known as a red planet?
Ma'am, Mars.
Mars. Very good. So students, Mars is known as a red planet. It is not Mercury. So keep it in our mind. Mars is known as what? It is also called as red planet. And now it is a Tharesh turn. Yes, Tharesh. Okay, Tharesh, tell me, what is the name of the biggest planet that we are having in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Very good, Saresh. So students, Jupiter is the planet that is one of the biggest planet in our solar system. So Sai Prajwal, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your train is going to?
Ma'am, Bangalore.
Oh, coming back to the Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So in between, you might have a network issue. So please do bear with that just because since you're traveling. Okay, fine. So tell me, Sai Prajwal, who invented telephone? Who invented telephone? Don't know? Okay, fine. Stay on a mute, Sai Prajwal. Adarsh? 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 Unmute Adarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Who invented the telephone, Adarsh? Don't know, Adarsh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, stay on a mute, Adarsh. Dishant? Can you unmute Dishant?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Okay, who is he? Who is he? He is a human being. We don't know.
Telephone.
What telephone? It's a human being, right? First of all. Huh? Okay. So we'll go with the next person. Aditya Gautam. Can you unmute Aditya Gautam?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I have asked you, right? Yes. You can stay
Yes,
on-
ma'am.
Okay, stay on a mute then. Amogha. Amogha. Are you there, Amogha? Amogha. Okay, she's not there. Mohit. Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you have disabled your video? Enable the video, Mohit.
Now you can see me, ma'am.
No, now I can see you. Kailash. Sorry, Karthik. Please enable your video, Karthik, and unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, which is the hottest planet in our solar system?
Ma'am, Venus.
Very good. Then why you have disabled the video? Enable your video. I want everyone to enable your videos. So come on, please do enable your videos. Okay, Karthik. Yatin. Yatin, I won't even remember your face also, Yatin. I don't know why. Just because you won't enable your video much in the session. Why you are a hero of the class? You will hide your face from everyone, huh? You have a big fan base, I think so. That's the reason you won't. Come on, unmute now. Quickly, Ethan. Okay, you're not considered. Shreyas. Shreyas, are you there, Shreyas? Shreyas, can you unmute? Okay. Sai Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, Sai Prajwal, which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Which is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Mercury.
Mercury, very good. So Mercury is the smallest planet in our.
Mercury.
Yes, it's the correct answer. You can stay on a mute. And the rest of them, you haven't enabled the video, please do enable. People who are enabling their videos, I'm going to consider you now. Only that's all, not the rest. Yes, Kailash. Can you unmute, dear? Can you unmute? Kailash Bogini. Check out now. Everyone enable your videos. What's wrong with you people? Others? Only 2 people have asked the permission. How about the rest? Yes.
I'm not able to change my name, ma'am. Karunya Bogini.
Yes, Karunya. Karunya, just tell me, who invented printing press?
Ma'am,
Who?
printing press.
Printing press. Don't know? Okay, let me tell you. So kids, Johannes Gutenberg, he is the person who invented the printing press. Okay. Aditya, looking good only today. Yes, you are looking good in that dress. You're turning the camera this side, that side and all and checking. And looking cute today. Don't worry. Okay, fine then. So shall we go with the next part of it? The next part of your QA? Randomly, I'll be asking the question. 5 questions I'm going to ask and you have to answer to that 5 questions fastly. If you are not answering fastly, I'll not consider you people. Okay? Since we have only 16 members today, I cannot go with a revision again. If I go with the revision, those people also will miss the session. So that's the reason. Shall we do it? But only people who enabled their videos, I'm going to consider them, not the rest. I'm really sorry with the rest of the people. See, and in between, if you are disabling your videos, even I'll not consider you in between the session. Preetham, I'll do the revision in the meanwhile itself. That means while discussing only, I'll be discussing those types of questions. Okay, shall we move on? So fine. Oh, okay, coming on to the first question, that is for the Preetham. Yes, Preetham. Shall I ask you the question? Are you ready, Preetham?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the first country to make the constitution?
Ma'am, India.
Okay. First country to give the voting rights?
Ma'am, don't know.
Okay. First country to start using paper currency? Don't know. Okay. First Prime Minister of Great Britain? First Prime Minister of Great Britain? Don't know. First President of USA? You stayed on a mute. I'll consider, Preetham, your mark is as 0. Okay. Since you haven't answered to a single question properly, I'm sorry. Adarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the first country to make the constitution?
India.
The first country to give the voting rights to the woman?
Wrong.
First country to start using the paper currency? First Prime Minister of Great Britain? First President of USA? Okay. So Adarsh, I'll reveal your marks at the end. Taresh?
Ma'am?
Taresh, which is the first country to make the constitution?
Indian Constitution.
First country to give the voting rights to the women.
Don't know, ma'am.
First country to start using the paper currency.
USA.
First Prime Minister of Britain. First President of USA. Okay, Tharish. Even I'll reveal your marks later. Aditya Prakash. Aditya Prakash, can you please?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya Prakash, which is the first country to make the constitution?
USA, ma'am.
Which is the first country to give the voting rights to the women?
New Zealand, ma'am.
Which is the first country to start using the paper currency?
China, ma'am.
Which is who's the first Prime Minister of Britain?
No idea, ma'am.
First President of USA?
George Washington, ma'am.
Very good. You can stay on a mute. And the next is Aditya Gautam. Can you unmute Aditya? Aditya Gautam. Can you unmute Aditya Gautam?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, who is the first man to climb Mount Everest? Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest?
I don't know, ma'am.
First woman president of a country?
Woman president, ma'am.
Yes. First country to print the books? First woman prime minister of the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Okay, fine, Gautam, stay on a mute. You haven't answered to the single question. Dishant,
Ma'am,
first country to print the books? First woman president of a country? You stay on a mute, Dishant.
ma'am,
First country to print the books?
ma'am, don't know.
First woman president of a country? First woman prime minister of a country? First woman to climb the Mount Everest? First man to climb the Mount Everest? Don't know. So Dishant, even your score I'm gonna reveal it at the end. Stay on a mute. Karunya,
Yes, ma'am.
first country to print the books?
China.
First woman president of a country?
Pratibha Patel.
First woman prime minister of a country?
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am.
First woman to climb the Mount Everest?
Pachendra Pal.
First president of USA?
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am.
Okay, Karunya, even I'll reveal your score at the end. Mohit,
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit, first woman to climb the Mount Everest? First woman prime minister of a country? First country to print the books?
Ma'am, China.
First prime minister of a Britain? First country to make the constitution?
Ma'am, India.
Okay, so even I will reveal your score at the end. Wait a second. So Mohit, fine. So now we are having Karthik. Yes, Karthik. Karthik, can you unmute? Karthik. Karthik, can you unmute Karthik? Karthik, if you cannot unmute, rejoin to the session. So we have Harshit Kumar. Yes, Harshit Kumar.
Ma'am, now?
Yes, yes, Karthik, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
So Karthik, tell me, Harshit, wait a second, Harshit. Karthik, tell me the first country to make the constitution?
Ma'am, India.
First president of USA.
I don't know, ma'am.
First country to print the books.
China, ma'am.
First country to give the voting rights to the woman.
Ma'am, I think so. New Zealand.
First man to climb the Mount Everest.
From New
Fine.
Ma'am,
Your
I don't know,
time
ma'am.
is up. You can stay on a mute, dear. Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, now you tell me, Harshit, which is the first country to print the books?
China, ma'am.
Who is the first woman president of a country?
Woman president.
Yes.
President.
Woman prime minister of a country?
Indira Gandhi. Miss Indira Gandhi.
Who is the first woman to climb the Mount Everest?
Mount Everest.
Who is the first president of USA?
USA.
Don't know. So fine then. Let me reveal your scores. Only people who enabled your videos, I have asked with them. Really very, very bad. Only one person, that is Aditya, out of 5 questions, he answered for 4 questions. So Preetham, 0. Adarsh, 1. Taresh, 0. Aditya Prakash, 4. Gautam, 0. Dishant, 0. Karunya, 1. Mohit, 1. Karthik, 2. Harshit, 0. Why you people are very familiar to 0? Haven't I taught you this in the last session of your current affairs? I made you people write. Hope you remember that. Do you remember? In the last session on the special class, first men in India, first woman in India. Do I have not given this notes? Yes or no? Yes, right? I have given an assignment also long back, a month ago. But why you people haven't studied still? What's wrong with you? All zeros here. Gautam, Preetham, Taresh, and then Harshit. And even the ones, Karunya, Mohit, Adarsh, and 2, Karthik, even you. How many times I need to tell you people to study every day? Are you happy with the marks? Only for these people, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people answered to the questions. And in this only, I got lot of zeros. How will you pass in the exam then if your people are like this? Simple question I asked. Okay, listen to all the questions. I'll tell you again. First country to make the constitution is the USA. USA is the first country to make the constitution, and the first country to give the voting rights to the women, that is the New Zealand. So New Zealand gave the voting rights to the women. The first country which started using the paper currency is again China. And also first prime minister of the Britain was Robert Walpole. So Robert is the first prime minister of Britain. First president of USA is Washington, George Washington. And the first man to climb the Mount Everest is Tenzing Norgay. Here's the person. First woman to climb the Mount Everest is Janko Tabri. So Janko Tabri was the first woman. And the first woman prime minister is Srima Wu. She was the one. And the first country to print the books, China. First woman president of the country is Isabel, that is Argentina. Haven't I taught you this, people? Even though you said like this. So now all of you go and get your GK book. Go get your GK book. I'll give you some work. You have to do that now. Get your GK book. People who are traveling, you people can just go through this, but you have to study this. I'll tell you what you have to do. Go get your book quickly so that I can share your screen. Everyone, get your books. Sit along with your books. Even though giving all the notes, you people won't answer to my questions. Wait a second, I'm just sharing your screen. Okay. So I hope the screen is visible to you people. Now you people have to start writing this. So start from here and end it till here. Write this for 5 times. I want you people to write this for 5 times. Now only you have to write 5 times. So start writing this now. Be quick. Enable your videos and then start writing. Yes, if you are traveling, it's fine. Take the screenshot. Preetham, stop laughing. You scored 0 marks. I have a list of your marks here. Start writing, everyone. I should see your book once you people written this. Come on, start writing. Be quick. Five times it should be written. Yes, now only you have to write. I will ask the question. Write neatly, everyone, by enabling your videos. Lot of students, if people haven't enabled the video, I don't know what work you are having there in the home and why you people have disabled your videos. Whether you are awake or you are not awake, even I don't know that. Pooja, today only I'm seeing your face, dear. Seriously. All the days you will disable your video. Write neatly. While you are writing, only steady and write. Pooja, I want to see your face. Enable the video and write. Every day you won't be having network issues, right? And the others. Amoga, still you have a network issue? Mohit, what is wrong with you? To enable your video. Harshit, what is wrong with you? Sanmi, what's wrong with you? Sai Prajwal, Shreyas, Yatin, what is wrong with you people? Wait a second. Yes, can you see now? Pritam, start writing. Sai Prajwal, okay. Write neatly. Be quick. Aditya, your video is not visible. Your face is not visible to me. Dhruti, are you writing, Dhruti? 5 times, is it done? Then write 5 times. It should be 5 times. When you're writing, only steady those words in your mouth and then you write it. Then it will stick in your mind. You can remember that for a longer period of time. Is it done? Be quick. Still you people are writing. How much time you want? Be quick. Complete it soon. Dishant, your face is not visible. Why you are hiding the camera? Huh? Why you are laughing, man? Huh? Aditya, your video is not proper, Aditya. Just leave the session and come back again. Mohit, are you writing? Your video is dancing along with you. Dhruti, okay, fine, Dhruti. Just go through the things, whatever you have written, Dhruti. Mohit 2 times finished. Very good. Preetham 5 times done. You're in third. Okay, fine, Preetham. Be quick. Kushwant, is this the time to log into the session? At what time you have a session and at what time you are coming in? Every day you will do the same thing. I'm observing here. Every day you will come to the session late. Why so? Or else in between you will leave the session and again you will join. Not understanding why it is like that. Why, Aditya? Moving somewhere? Okay, sit in right now that only. No electricity, you're in the village. Okay, fine, Kushwant. Where it is dear, Dhruti? Cannot see that anything over here. Where it is? Okay, that is suppose Dhruti, yes, you are having, right? What is the full form of yes? It might be your father named like that. In the same way, there also WC Banerjee. It's the initial, like JRD Tata. It's all the initials. Study it. Once you people are done with it, you have to start studying that. I will ask you the question. So start studying. Aditya done? Aditya Prakash, Aditya Gautam. If you people are done, go with studying those same thing. I'm gonna ask you the question. How many of them are writing still? Anybody is writing still? Still, okay, write it, write it. Okay, Preetham. Okay, Karunya. Is it done? People who were writing, then go with setting of that. Whatever you people have written, start reading that. First Indian to win the Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. That is the sixth one. Why, Aditya? Is it done? Okay. So hope you guys are done with this. If you are writing, you can take the screenshots. And now you people can start writing the below one. From the first governor, from there you start and end it till here at the end. Okay. So start writing this again for the 5 times. It should be there in the book. So start writing this now. Yes, Preetam, you can. Second one. Okay, wait a second. I will. Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten. Understood? So all of you done writing one time? Yes or no? One time is done. I want everyone to tell. Dhruti, good Dhruti. Others? Yes? Okay, fine then. So the rest again 4 times you have to write. Do you remember? Write it. Complete it soon. You are in a 4th time. Very good, dear. And the rest? Done, everyone? Others? Quick, guys. Okay, hope you are done. Now I'll stop your share. So how many times you need to write still? Those many times you have to complete it before coming on to the next session, and you have to study that before coming on to the next session. Got it? Enable your videos. Why you guys are disabling your videos? Huh? Okay. And fine, then it's been time up. With this, let me wind up my today's session. So thank you all for attending the class. Meet you all in the next class. That's on I don't know when it is. We'll just see it out. So fine then. Once again, happy Deepavali to all. Enjoy your fest. Okay. Bye-bye.